Alright, let's get started. How to use K-map to simplify the expression. So I will say you probably have 3 steps. So first, you need to draw the K-map. Okay, and the second one is you wanna make circles. Third one, you wanna write expression. Okay, let's do that step by step. First, write the K-map. All right, for question A. Okay, we're gonna it have more than 4 cells. Okay, 0 to 6, at least 7. So we will see there always be order of 2. So it have at least 3 variables. So we will write like this: A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1. Remember, 1, 0 is down on the bottom and 1, 1 is here. So this is called a gray code. Okay, every time there only 1 bit change: 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Go back, this 1 back to 0. Okay, the consecutive numbers only change 1 bit. So this is a C. We got a 0 and 1. So the number 0, 0, 0, that would be the first bit. 1, this 0, 1, and this is 2, 3. Remember, 4 is here, 5 is here, 6 and 7, 8 units. Okay, and then this is the first. This is the K-map for 3 variables. It always look like this, and then based on different truth table, then we start to fill in it. So this means M means mean term. Difference is here. Capital M, this is max term. Max term is labeling the position for zeros. This one telling you the position for ones. So cell 0 is a 1, cell 1 is a 1, and number 4 is a 1, number 6 is a 1. Okay, except that all the other cells are 0. Okay, so far the first is down. The second one, we're going to make circles. So we want to make circles of 1. So to have the expression in a sum of product term. So each term, each circle will be a product, SOP. Okay. So let's make circle. You can only make 1 cell, 2 cell, 4 cell, or 8 cell. Power of 2. Okay. You can't make 3. You can't make 6. Has to be power of 2. Okay. For example, and you want to make as large as possible. So these 2 can be 1, and these 2 can be 1. Alright, so we down the circle. Now we start to write the expression. We're going to do the expression for each of the circle. So for example, this one. Okay, for this one, you're going to see, you can see that this circle cross both positive and negative, 0 and 1 for C. So C is eliminated. Okay, we're gonna evaluate every single variable like A, B, C. Okay, C is cross 2, so C is not exist. For A and B, we want to make, so for A and B, they are falling in this row 0, 0. We want to make them 1. So A negative and B negative will make it 1. All right, so start to see the pattern and see this one. For this circle, so these are products, right? A negative, A naught, ending with B naught. For this one, you can see which one is, we're going to evaluate A, B, C, okay? Which one is crossed for both 1 and 0? This one, right? The B. So B is not exist. For A, both are positive, so we just keep A. C here is 0, so we make a C naught here. So the final result for part A, the first one, is A naught multiply with B naught and R ring with AC naught. Okay, that's the first one. For the second one, we're gonna do the same. The first step, we're gonna write, change it back. We're gonna write the A, B, and C, D, and A, B. We got a 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Similar here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay, and we're setting the order. Okay, the cell for this one is 0, 0, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, sorry, that's a common mistake. So you're gonna jump, right? Have to jump. So 0, 1, so this is not 3. Sorry, this is not 2, this is 2, this is 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Next trick is 8 is not here, is down here. Okay, 8, 9, okay, another trick, 10, 11, and 12, 13, jump, 14, 15. That's everything. All right, so we started filling ones. Okay, that's the location for ones. So 0 is a 1, and 4 is a 1, 5 a 1, 9 is a 1, 11, 14, 15. That's it. Okay, and this one D is don't care, so it can be anything, can be 0 or can be 1. This is useful for us so we can make a bigger one, bigger circles for next step. Okay, so we have a 2 and 8. So 2 don't care and 8 is don't care. Okay, the rest you're gonna fill in with zeros. So all the cells should have a value, and I fill all that with zeros. Okay, and next step, making circle. So we can make a circle like this. There's 2, 1. There's another circle. We try to use this one, but there's no other 1 or X next to it, so we don't do that. There is another one. There is another one. Okay. For example, you can make this circle. That's a valid circle. Okay. But this one already been circled, so there's no reason you want to make another circle. Okay. Don't make it too complicated because each circle is one term, right? So now, next step, write the expression. Let's see if you remember how to do that. Okay, so for this circle, vertical one, it cross B. Okay, so B is not there. A is 0, so we make a naught. And C is 0, so C and D are both 0, so we make a C naught and a D naught. Okay, and for this one, you can see it cross this D here. Okay, so D is not there. And A is negative because A is 0 here, and B is positive, and C is 0, so C naught. As we said, D is crossed, both 0 and 1, so it's not exist. Okay, for this one, we got again D crossed. So we have A, B, both are 1, and we have C is a positive, okay? And for this one, I can see C is crossed, so we don't have a C, but we have a B, A, B naught, and a D. D are 1, so D is a positive. All right, so for this one, part B, we got, what is that? We got F equals to A naught, C naught, D naught, plus, so this is sum of product, A naught, B, C naught, and plus A, B, C, plus A, B naught, D. Okay, that's part B. Okay. Last one. Okay. We're gonna do another circle, right? Gonna do another circle. So let me see if I can copy this one. Let me make a new one.